Hello, and welcome to the Joubu M880 4D tablet remote tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Joubu tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing and holding the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when you finish, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up 24 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. The programs are grouped into 3 categories to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, tap the arrows on the side of the screen. There is Therapy, which offers a selection of massages oriented towards recovery. Lifestyle, with programs that provide a comprehensive, full-body massage experience suited to different activities. And Focus, with a set of programs that are more focused massages tailored to different regions of the body. We recommend trying each program out and seeing what feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the home icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This home icon will always return you to the home screen on any screen that it is found. To the right of Auto is Manual Settings. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 2 of this video. Back in the home screen, let's go to Sound. Tap Sound. Use the screen to select and control the Soothe Me sound therapy feature of your chair. Here you will see 10 different nature sounds you can choose from. There is white noise, ocean, crickets, rain, fireplace, airplane, car ride, thunderstorm, windy night, and nature. Once you select your desired sound effect, you can choose the level of volume below, 1 through 9, and off, 1 being the quietest and 9 being the loudest. To turn off nature sounds, simply turn volume off or deselect the nature sound. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on Air Settings. In Air Settings, here, you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. There are 5 different options: full body, shoulder, arm, waist and hip, and leg and feet. Note, you can select and deselect more than one option. However, when you select full, this will override all individual sections. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage. Here you will see 5 different options, 1 through 5, and off. Use the air intensity minus and air intensity plus buttons to change the setting. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. You can also save your custom air settings into a customized massage program using the My Favorite Memory feature of your chair. We will go over this feature next. You will find the My Favorite Save button located at the top left corner of this screen. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on My Favorite. In My Favorite, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the Manual Settings display or after personalizing an auto program. We will go over creating and customizing a program in step 3 of this video. You can store up to 5 different My Favorite programs and access them whenever you want. To run a My Favorite program, tap on the desired program slot. Each time you save a My Favorite program, a new My Favorite slot will be written. Once all 5 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new My Favorite program. To delete a program, tap on the trash can icon next to the program you want to remove. Going back to the home screen, let's go over the position adjustment settings. In position adjustment, you can change the chair angles and zero gravity recline while the chair is running. The backrest, footrest, calf, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold a screen to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to rise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. When holding down the calf up and down buttons, this will manually adjust the position of calf kneading during tweenic calf massage. The last setting within the adjustment screen is the zero gravity recline positions. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Incline will recline the chair back into a slight recline. Leisure will put the chair into a standard recline, and zero gravity will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. Now let's navigate back to the home screen. The last option on the home screen is Settings. Here you should see 8 different options: Screen Timeout, Backlight, Language, Voice, Keytone, Bluetooth, Wireless Charging, and Sleep Mode. The Screen Timeout feature allows you to set how long the tablet remains active before dimming after your last interaction. You can choose from options such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or select Never to keep the screen on indefinitely. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Backlight. This setting controls the tablet remote's screen brightness. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Language. This chair has 3 different language settings to choose from: English, Chinese, and Spanish. Below Screen Timeout is Voice. Select this to activate the intelligent voice command and control, and turn on active voice listening. This feature allows you to control your chair in massage experience completely hands-free. Once activated, simply say, "Hey Kyota," or "Hi Kyota." After the chair responds, you may use any of the available voice commands itemized under the Voice Commands List button. Next is Keytone. This controls the beep sound your tablet makes each time you make a selection. Turn the sounds on or off. Next is Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. Note: for Bluetooth streaming, Soothe Me sounds must be deselected and Bluetooth must be on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over this in part 4 of this video. Next is Wireless Charging. Joubu has a built-in wireless charging station, which allows you to charge your smart device. If you select on, the power will stay on the charging station even if the chair is powered down. The last setting is Sleep Mode. Here you can toggle Sleep Mode on or off. When Sleep Mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after any auto program. When Sleep Mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Now is Personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we're going to pick Relax. Once you have selected Relax, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once a beeping countdown starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanisms up or down to match your specific shoulder height. After the countdown timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note: during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and turn the massage chair off, simply hit the power button on the display screen. This will reset the chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you will be taken to the in-use screen where you can observe all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The red dot indicates the current position of the massage mechanism along the massage track, and the red highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing. The timer in the middle indicates the time remaining in your massage. You can find the name of the massage program that is currently running in the upper left corner of the screen. To the top left of the figure, you will see the 4D strength setting, plus and minus buttons. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism that works the back and shoulder regions. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations, 1 being lightest and 5 being firm. On the inside of 4D strength is air intensity. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the airbag massage. Like with 4D intensity, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Select 1 for lightest and 5 for firmest massage. To the right of the figure is massage speed. Use this control to increase or decrease the speed of the back mechanism, 1 being slow and 5 being fast. Note, massage speed cannot be adjusted when in the Shiatsu manual mode. On the inside of massage speed is the massage timer control. Tap the plus and minus buttons to select your desired massage time length. 15 minutes is the default setting. The massage chair will turn off automatically and reset after the timer is up. To the bottom left of the figure, you'll find calf kneading control. Calf kneading combines with compression air cells to simulate hands gently relieving tension and pain in the calf region of each leg. You can toggle this feature on or off. Below calf kneading is foot rollers adjustment. Use this to control the total sole reflexology rollers and choose your desired foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast, or use off to deactivate the foot rollers. To the right is the lumbar and heat control. This will activate and deactivate lumbar and feet heat. Turn this option on or off. To stop or pause the massage, simply tap the pause button on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. To continue, just re-tap to resume the massage. If you tap the power button in the bottom left corner, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. At the top of the screen, you'll find quick access tabs to the main menu options we went over earlier. Tap these to jump directly to those options. There is position adjustment, air setting, manual, and tapping controls will bring you back to the current screen. When you're done personalizing your auto program, you have the option to save it by tapping the My Favorite button, located just below the program name. A new memory slot will instantly be written with your personalized program, which you can run later by accessing the My Favorite screen we went over in Step 1. Note, at least one empty My Favorite slot must be available in order to save your personalized program. If no slots are available, you must first delete a pre-existing program, then return and tap My Favorite again. The My Favorite button will turn red once a program has been saved successfully. Now let's explore the manual settings. Tap Manual from the tab selection at the top of the screen. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within My Favorites. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program. Starting at the bottom right, we have 6 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is kneading and tapping, knock, tapping, shiatsu, and combination. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose knock. Now with the type of massage selected, let's make a massage area selection. Choose an area you would like the back mechanisms to focus on. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to adjust the back rollers along the L track. To change the width of the back rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width. Note, the width cannot be adjusted when in kneading or in combination mode. Now let's choose a 4D strength. Tap back to controls and select 2. And in the massage speed control setting, select 1. This will give us a slow, light tissue massage. Let's also change our massage time to 30 minutes. On to the air settings. Tap Air Settings, then select shoulder, waist and hip, and leg and feet. This will start the air compression massage in these 3 different regions. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 4. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the body. Moving on to the legs. Tab back to manual and turn on calf kneading. Let's also choose one for foot rollers speed and on for lumbar and feet heat. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our My Favorite programs. Tap the My Favorite button on any of the available screens. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the My Favorite programs list. Now, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the Settings menu on the Joubu M880 tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Joubu in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can now fully enjoy your Joubu M880 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs,